A flight traveling to a destination এত কিলোমিটার away was supposed to take off at this, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে অরিজিনালি কি হয়, ডিস্টেন্স হচ্ছে 1120 কিলোমিটার, ঠিক আছে? তোমার স্পিডটা আমি x কিলোমিটার পার আওয়ার নিচ্ছি, ওকে, অ্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্য টাইম, লেট দ্য টাইম বি t hours. So xt is equals to 11200. The pilot increased the average speed of the airplane by this, okay. Now in order to reduce the delay, to 1 hour, okay, not 3 hours anymore. In order to reduce the delay to 1 hour, okay, the pilot must take, take 2 hours, the pilot must take 2 hours less, okay, to cover the same distance. So in that case the distance still remain 11200 kilometer. X will be x plus 100, time will be 2 hours less, that means t minus 2, okay. So here also x plus 100 into t minus 2 is equals to 11200, okay. Now we'll open the bracket, xt minus 2x, okay, xt minus 2x plus 100t minus 200 is equals to 11200, okay. Now what is xt? 11200 minus 2x, so these two will get cancelled out. Okay, now what is x? I can just substitute 11200 by t, ঠিক আছে, এটাকে যদি ডিভাইড করি 50 by 11200 by 50, okay. If I take 2 minus common, ঠিক আছে, এটা তো মাইনাস হবে, Now t square minus 2t minus 2 to 4, okay, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, ঠিক আছে। ক্যালকুলেশন কিছু একটা গন্ডগোল হচ্ছে। ও আমার ইকুয়েশনটা টি এর টার্মে, ঠিক আছে। So this will be 896, okay, by 2, that is 2 plus minus root over 900 by 2, ঠিক আছে, that is 2 plus minus 30 by 2, okay. Now see, t cannot be negative, t will always be positive, so 2 plus 30 by 2, that is 16, okay. Yeah, so that is 16 hours. Now the question is, had the pilot increased, so t is actually 16. So if t is 16, then I can easily get x.
আরেকটা বার করব না
11200, so x equals to 11200 divided by 16, so that is 16 7, so 700 kilometer per hour. This is its original speed. Now had the pilot increased the average speed by 350 kilometer per hour, then what would have been the time? So new time, so what is this distance till 11200? Now what is the new speed? He increased the speed by how much? 350. 1050, okay. So এটাকে যদি আমি ডিভাইড করি, I'll get 32 by 3, that is 10, 2 by 3 hours, okay. So that is 10 hours plus 2 by 3 hours, which is into 60, that is 20, so it is 10 hours 40 minutes, okay. Now see, so at what time will he reach? So they started at 9:30 am, because 3 hours they were left late, so 9:30 after the 10 hours 40 minutes, so 9:30 am to 9:30 pm is 12 hours, so go 2 hours back, so that means 7:30 pm, and then 40 minutes, so 7:30 pm, then 30 more minutes, 8, and then 10 more minutes, so that means 8 pm, I mean 8 past 10 pm they will reach,